Hey everybody, I'm happy to show you how to do resurrection rolls. Good Friday, which is the Happy Easter! It's Good Friday. Actually, it's not. It's the Saturday before Good Friday. But I thought I would make a video for you guys because we can't be together in the classroom to make our resurrection Easter rolls. So, resurrection rolls are basically like cinnamon rolls. You have the Rhodes rolls, the frozen Rhodes rolls that you can get at the grocery store. And you have the large size marshmallows. You need a cube or so of butter, some cinnamon, ground cinnamon, and some brown sugar. I'm gonna show you how to do them right now. So you'll wanna take your bowl and melt some butter. We'll just unwrap this cube of butter. Make sure you wash your hands and you wipe off your countertop so that everything is clean and sanitary. We're gonna stick this in the microwave for about 1 minute, maybe minute 30 seconds, and melt this butter. In a second bowl, we're gonna take about a cup of brown sugar. You can use regular sugar, you can use brown sugar. I like to use brown sugar because it's more like cinnamon rolls. And 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. Okay, so we're back. We melted our butter, and I put a little bit of the butter in this pan to prepare it and just poured some of the melted butter in. You can also use a spray oil. You just spray the sides and the bottom of your pan like this. Okay, so you take the flattened ball of dough and you take the marshmallow and roll it in the butter. Roll it in the cinnamon sugar. Stick it in your bread dough ball. Then you take this, roll it like this, and stick it in your pan. So the symbolic nature of the resurrection rolls, why they're called resurrection rolls, is that this represents Jesus' body, and when they buried him, they anointed him with fragrant oils, burial oils, and rubbed him with, they prepared his body with spices. And so the cinnamon and sugar represent the spices and the butter represents the oils. And then when they buried him, he was in the tomb for 3 days, and then he was resurrected. And so when these dough balls come out of the oven, the marshmallow will have melted and disappeared. And that represents Jesus being raised from the dead. All right, my kids are gonna jump in here. They're gonna help me make the rest of these yummy rolls. Okay, so we're done. We have our rolls. You can probably get the whole package in a 9x13 pan, which is just a regular cake size pan. And I sprinkled some cinnamon sugar over the top, and I'm just gonna drizzle this butter, just pour it over, and you can use this brush. So this is what it looks like going into the oven. I'm gonna take it, put it into the oven. And it's gonna bake for 15 minutes. So I'll see you in 15 minutes. So the rolls took a little bit longer than what we anticipated. I think they took about 30 minutes, but they're ready. You can do these the night before if you want to prep them, and then take them out of the refrigerator and let them come to room temperature. Then you can pop them in the oven and serve them hot the next day for breakfast. So you can see, if you open your roll, the marshmallow's gone. And you've got all this ooey gooey caramel coming out of it. Yum. I hope you guys try this at home and send me a message and let me know if you liked it or not, if your family liked it. Happy Easter, everybody. Hot. They're yummy. See you guys.